Roses are beautiful buses of Rosa species. The name rose or roses are also taken from there. The flower consists of 100 species which grow in cool regions. Generally, roses have thorns and grow climbing. The height can reach to the 5 meters. It has a thorny stem that is shaped like a hook. It functions as a grip when creeping or climbing on other plants. There are also several species of roses have thorns are straight and sharp as a needle. But there are also soft and not sharp thorns. Actually, the rose is not a tropical plant. Roses come from the plains of China, the Middle East, and Eastern Europe. But in its development is widespread in areas with cold climates, subtropical and hot tropical.